The Donner DED-100 electric drum set offers a responsive mesh drum surface that feels surprisingly close to an acoustic kit, which makes it very inviting for beginners to practice longer sessions. Its generous selection of roughly 200 built-in sounds and multiple preset kits gives new drummers plenty of room to explore different musical styles without feeling limited. The combination of 8-inch mesh pads and 10-inch rubber cymbals tracks dynamics well, so soft ghost notes and stronger accents both come through clearly. A sturdy iron metal frame keeps the kit stable, so the pads do not wobble or shift around even when a teenager is playing with enthusiasm. Headphone connectivity and an auxiliary input for external audio make it easy to practice quietly while jamming along to favorite songs or online lessons. Included drumsticks, pedals, and audio cables mean the set is ready to play right out of the box, which makes it a convenient choice as a first full electronic kit.